Welcome back to Graphic Island tutorial. In today's video I am going to show you how you can save your Word logo into PNG transparent format. Let me create a logo here. After that I'll show you the process how you can save your logo in PNG 24 transparent format. Go to Insert, Shape, and I'll take this oval shape and I'll create one circle here. I'll format this circle and I'll remove this outline color, change the fill color to this one. Okay, using control key I'll make a duplicate and place it here, and I'll change the color for this new circle to this one. And now I'll write the logo title here. So I'll go to insert again, and text box I'll take simple text and I'll write logo name. I'll do right click over it and format it. So I'll remove this line color and the fill color and I'll keep only the text. I'll select this text, I'll go to home option, and from here I'll change the font. After changing the font I'll change the color and I'll increase the size from here. I'll drag this one and I'll place it here. So suppose this is the logo and you want to save it in transparent logo format. So how to do that? First step, you need to save this Word document. Suppose if you want to save from here directly, you will not find any options to save it in PNG 24 transparent. So suppose in other formats if you go, then you will find the other formats, but you will not find the format to save in PNG, JPEG or transparent format. There is no more options. So what I'll do, I'll save it directly in Word document, and here I'll write the Word document. Suppose this is the name I have given, and I'll save it. Once you save this Word document, let me delete this one. So because already we saved the file, and here once we create the transparent file, we'll bring our transparent logo here, and we will use different background here to check the transparency. So now in your browser you need to come to this website onlineconvert.com. I'll give the link in the description. You'll find this link and you can directly convert it. So once you come to this website, here is the option for choose file. So you need to click over this choose file option. Here is our Word document that we saved earlier. So you need to open this one here. It is showing it is loading now. After loaded completion, here you will see start conversion. In most of the website those options are not given to make the Word logo convert to transparency. So here is the options given. So quality of the settings, you can choose best quality. This size is given here. Colored, because we need the exact color, so here it is marked colored. In enhance, here is the main thing, that remove background. You need to mark this one. If you don't mark this one, then you will convert your Word logo into PNG format, but that will be with the background. If you mark this remove background, then only the logo will be saved with transparency, and after that nothing to do with all those options. And here you need to click on start conversion. So it is converting now. You can see conversion in progress. So it is processing. So once processing is finished, here a download will start automatically, or if it does not start automatically, then you can click download option manually and you can download it like this. So now let me open this converted logo into transparent format. Now we already downloaded it, right? Now what I'll do, I'll go to this Microsoft Word and I'll open our new downloaded this transparent logo. So for that you need to go to Insert, Picture, and here we just downloaded this one. So I'll open this one. So here is our transparent logo. So now let me check it, the transparency, how you can check the transparency on the Word itself. So to check the transparency, what I'll do, I'll draw one background at the back of this. If it is uh, transparent, then only the logo will be shown over the background, and if it is not transparent, then the whole area will be shown white with the logo and background cannot be seen. So what I'll do, I'll go to Insert and Shape, and here I'll take this rectangular tool and here I'll draw a rectangle at the back of this, and I'll change the color. Let me take okay, let me take this black color. Okay, so let me order, send to back. Yeah, now you can see our logo is in transparent format. So the background is visible now. So hope this video helps you. You can support Graphic Island by doing like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.